I imagine stumbling upon a secret so profound that it feels like discovering a glitch in the very fabric of reality, a loophole in the cosmic code that allows you to manifest anything. This isn't just fantasy. It's a transformative practice known as revision, a technique that defies the linear constraints of time, empowering you to reshape your past and, in doing so, sculpt a future brimming with potential. The concept of revision is not just about wishful thinking. It's a method deeply rooted in the principles of self-concept and belief. It's the art of mentally rewriting your history, of altering memories that no longer serve you, and replacing them with ones that do. This practice is grounded in the understanding that our past experiences shape our identity, and by changing our perception of these experiences, we can redefine who we are. Revision is simple in its approach, yet powerful in its impact. It begins with the recognition of an event from your past that has led to undesirable outcomes. Instead of accepting this event as unchangeable, you envision a different scenario, one where the outcome aligns with your current desires and aspirations. By mentally revisiting and revising these events, you affirm a new identity, one that resonates with success, happiness, and fulfillment. This process is akin to planting seeds in the fertile soil of your subconscious. As you nurture these seeds with continuous belief and positive affirmation, they begin to take root. The once rigid walls of reality start to bend, and the floodgates to prosperity swing wide open. It's a journey of transformation, where you become the architect of your destiny, constructing a life that mirrors your deepest aspirations. So let's step into this realm of possibility. Think of an event from your past, perhaps one where you wished for a different outcome. Maybe you missed out on a golden opportunity, like winning the lottery or sealing a lucrative deal. Close your eyes and envision that moment vividly. Now here's the twist. Instead of visualizing a future where you succeed, rewind the tape. Go back to that precise moment and rewrite the script. See yourself clinching that victory, feeling the rush of triumph and basking in the glory of success. What's fascinating about this process is its simplicity. You're not conjuring up elaborate fantasies, you're merely tweaking a scene you've already lived through. It's like editing a movie reel, snipping out the undesirable parts and splicing in moments of triumph. As you immerse yourself in this revision, something remarkable happens. The universe takes note of your newfound belief. It's as if you've sent a memo to the cosmos, signaling your unwavering faith in your desired outcome. Now here's where the magic unfolds. The universe, ever the diligent assistant, rushes to fulfill your request. But instead of altering the past, it orchestrates a series of events in the present. You might receive unexpected windfalls, stumble upon lucrative opportunities, or witness miraculous transformations in your life. It's not about rewriting history, it's about reshaping your perception of reality. As Neville Goddard teaches, manifestation begins with a shift in self-concept. By revising past events, you're affirming a new identity, one brimming with confidence, abundance, and limitless potential. Now let's delve into the practical aspect of revision. Here's a step-by-step guide inspired by Neville Goddard's teachings. 1. Choose your moment. Select a specific event from your past that you wish to revise. It could be recent or distant, as long as it's etched vividly in your memory. 2. Set the scene. Close your eyes and transport yourself back to that moment. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds, and immerse yourself in the experience. 3. Rewrite the script. With your inner eye, visualize a new outcome. See yourself achieving the desired result, radiating with joy and fulfillment. 4. Rehearse and repeat. Replay this revised scene in your mind like a movie on loop. Feel the excitement, the satisfaction, and the sheer bliss of success. 5. Drift into sleep. As you drift off to sleep, hold on to this vision with unwavering faith. Let it permeate your subconscious mind, like a seed planted in fertile soil. 6. Embrace the glitch. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Be open to unexpected blessings, synchronicities, and serendipitous encounters. 7. Stay aligned. Keep nurturing your newfound self-concept. Align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the reality you wish to create. In essence, revision is a potent tool for manifesting your dreams. It's not about rewriting history, it's about reclaiming your power as the author of your destiny. But how does one stay true to this process? It requires faith, a trust in the unseen mechanisms of the universe. It demands alignment with your desires, ensuring that your thoughts, emotions, and actions are in harmony with your goals. And above all, it calls for patience, to watch and wait as the universe conspires in your favor, orchestrating events and circumstances that align with your revised past. Intrigued? Embrace this journey of self-discovery and transformation and witness the unfolding of a reality that once existed only in the realm of dreams. The universe is your canvas, and with the brush of revision you can paint a masterpiece of your own making.